So hi guys, this is the HMD Touch 4G and it's a hybrid phone. And look at this, its packaging is slightly different from the other phones. And so let's open the box. This is the compact size phone with touch screen and a 5-volt charger with Type A to Type C cable. Okay, so let's start with its amazing design. It comes with TFT display, plastic body with matte finish design and 10.9 mm thin with 100 grams of weight. Ports and buttons. There is a USB Type C and microphone on the bottom side, and right hand side a SIM card tray. On the top a quick call button with 3.5 mm audio jack, and power on off button and volume rockers on the left hand side. And let's talk about the display. We got a 3.2 inches TFT display with QVGA resolution, and you can see at the bottom, it's not a button, it's a touch sensor. And it comes with 2 megapixel primary camera with LED flash, and along with that 0.3 megapixel selfie camera. And they are using a 1950 mAh lithium ion battery, and also comes with 5-volt wired charging. And the battery backup is average and even a splash resistant and water resistant. And now the performance. This phone comes with Unisoc T127 processor with 64 MB RAM and 128 MB storage. OS and UI updates. It comes with RTOS called Real Time OS. And connectivity. It comes with dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 2.4, Bluetooth 5.0 and wireless FM radio. And finally, talking about the price, you will get it for $3,999 at Flipkart and Amazon. And let's use the phone. And this is the home button. And this is the control panel. You can enable Wi-Fi mobile data and Bluetooth hotspot and LED torch. And all their apps are here like gallery, contacts, messages, settings, YouTube and games. And the display quality is average and the brightness is too good in this price segment. If you are enjoying the video, please like, subscribe and follow, and see you again in the next video.